In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do work schedule using Monday.com. Whether you're managing a team or organizing your own tasks, setting up a structured work schedule is essential to maximize productivity. Monday.com is a versatile platform that allows you to do just that. So let's dive in and see how you can set up your work schedule within just a few minutes. First, open up your browser and navigate to monday.com. If you already have it saved as a bookmark, even better, but you can simply type in the URL to get started. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to look for the login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page, ready to welcome you back to your workspace. After clicking login, you'll be presented with several ways to log into your account. Here, we're going to select the Google option. You'll then be prompted to choose the specific Google account you wish to associate with monday.com. If you have multiple accounts, be sure to pick the one linked with your monday.com profile. Now, let's move on. You'll be directed to your dashboard. In the top right corner, you should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it to access a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Administration, which will direct you to the administrative dashboard, a hub for managing various settings on monday.com. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Work Schedule. Click to open it. This area is where you'll be setting up your work hours and days. To begin scheduling, click on Add a Schedule. This action will bring up a form where you can specify which days of the week you plan to work, along with the start and end times for each day. After entering your work days and times, click Next. Here, you can add time off, a crucial step for factoring in team vacations or personal days. Specify any upcoming non-working days to ensure they're accounted for in your schedule. Once you've added time off, click Next again. Now comes the part where you can assign this newly created schedule to your teams. Depending on your organization, you might want to assign one schedule for everyone or customize different schedules by department or project. Finally, you'll have the option to either assign now or choose assign later and finish. If you need more time to decide or coordinate with team leads, feel free to select assign later. And just like that, you've now completed your work schedule setup on monday.com. Remember, a well-structured schedule is key to effective time management and productivity. By using these steps, you've taken a significant step towards better organization. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.